Hi everyone, welcome to the Makerspace electronic workstation. Here is the soldering iron, which can get up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so make sure you touch it with the yellow part only and not the metal bit at the front end. There are some safety guidelines you would need to follow in order to operate the soldering iron. First, you need to make sure your hair is all tied back and there is no loose jewelry or clothes. You would also need to grab safety glasses from the countertop to operate the soldering iron. On the other side of this station, we have all of our electronic components. The Arduino kits, anything for circuitry, wires, and other electronic kits. There are also organizers with wires, and the other blue organizer has hardware and power components. Towards the side, there are also starter kits for Raspberry Pis. Thank you for visiting the Electronic Works.